Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leah and today I'm gonna be doing a SHEIN haul. Also, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Legacy, and let's go on to the video. So the first item I got, it was a set. I got this in a medium and it's this pajama set. I thought it's super cute. It brings shorts too. And it also brings 3 pajamas in total. And it was only $19, so I thought it was definitely a steal. And I recommend getting this. So this is actually a satin material. And I think that the quality is okay for it to be something from SHEIN. So far, I don't see any loose threads, which is always good. And I think this is really cute. Also, I will not be wearing the pajama set because there are too many weirdos out there. I also got a swimsuit. It's a black swimsuit and I will not be wearing it either on camera. But it's this one piece. It's a one shoulder strap and then it's connected to the bottom like this. It's so hard to show it with no help. It also brought this little thing right here, but it was not sewn into the swimsuit, so I am questioning why they would do this without sewing it. It's supposed to go there, but since it's not sewn, it falls off easily, and I don't see the point of having this if it's not sewn into the swimsuit. And actually, I think this swimsuit looks better with this. It just adds a little detail and it just makes it look better. So maybe I'll get this sewn into the swimsuit, but that's gonna be like extra work that I need to do when it should just be sewn into it. But it's totally fine. I think material wise it's really good. It stretches out really good and it covers what needs to be covered. And yeah, I definitely suggest getting this swimsuit. So the next item that I got is actually a crew neck, and it just says New York in really funky letters and funky colors. And honestly, on the website it kind of looked like it was gonna be yellow, but honestly I'm not mad with the color. It's like a creamy color and I actually think this is cuter than yellow, so I'm glad I got this. So this next item, I've actually been wanting it for like the longest time and I finally got it. It is a one shoulder shirt and honestly I'm really excited to use this. It's really good quality. It's also very stretchy. I got this in a medium size and I definitely recommend getting this. So this next item is a dress and it's a green dress and it has a little slit right here. I got this in a medium size. Focus on yourself. I'm so sick of just because you're a boy it don't make you a man. I think I have an obsession with green clothing because I'm wearing green. I bought tons of green stuff. So I got these pants. These are high-waisted and they just have stuff on it. They say fear. I am in love with these pants actually. I was not expecting them to be this pretty and yeah, I think they're really good. Quality wise, they are great. They cover most of my legs, which is a good thing because most pants, like I've said before, never cover my legs, which is depressing and sad. Okay, so the last item that I will be showing you guys is another crew neck. I love crew necks as well. And guess what? It's also green. And this is supposed to say California, San Francisco, right? But no, it says California. I should have checked the reviews because when I got this, I didn't even notice at first, and then I actually just like stare at it and I noticed that the L is missing. And yeah, and then I go check the reviews of everybody and I see pictures and everybody's crew neck says California. So I would always suggest you look at the reviews before purchasing something, because it's really cute, the quality is great and everything, but that little typo, it makes me sad because I don't know, it's weird that it says California and not California. But I don't know if they have a reason for that, but I feel like it's kind of false advertisement, because on the model it says California and then when you get the product it says something else. That was a little bit sad, but you know, it's not a big deal. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you next time. Bye!
When tides came, did not flee.